Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we're checking out the seat covers in the 2026 CFMOTO U10 Pro XL. It's an awesome looking set of seat covers inside here. Waterproof, durable, a tight fit to these seats. Mossy oak bottomland for the insert, midnight croc for the trim. Just transform the interior of this vehicle. It's loaded up with pockets for guns and gear and also some custom headrest logos. Let's check them out. So the fabrics that we have on here are the mossy oak bottomland for the insert. That's that canvas, very durable canvas. It's a waterproof material. It's just great, easy to wipe up and keep looking nice and clean. And then the trim is out of a simulated leather material, and the midnight croc. It's just a jet black croc. And so it pairs really nice with the camo when you're doing a two-tone like this. A lot of black tones inside this camo already. Pairs nice with that midnight croc. Just pops inside here, love it. Now this is the bottom cover. This is actually a 60 section bottom, so it's a larger bottom cover, but it's designed for that. And you have to get a custom fit seat cover to have the covers really fit on nice and tight like this. And this does pull over the original upholstery. Straps down with straps and buckles. I have a full install video teaching you how to do all that. But you can see it's that matching mossy oak bottomland for the insert, midnight croc for the trim. Just a really cool combination. And this is great for the dogs and the kids as you're jumping in and out. You're taking this on hunting trips, no problem. These are gonna wear very nicely. And if you ever do wear through a piece, no worries, you can always order a single piece like this. You don't have to order the whole kit again. That's another nice part about going with guys like us. We can custom make individual pieces for you as needed there. So just a great fit on this passenger bottom here. Now here is the passenger MOLLE pocket. We have one on the driver's side as well. You can see there's that MOLLE webbing on the outside for storage. You can add storage, add knives and gear to the outside, connect gear on, but it also opens for storage on the inside. So you drop your pistol on the inside here for complete concealment right there. You can see how that just drops down vertically off of the seat right there. And there's that pistol MOLLE gun pocket right here for you. And we have 4 of these, 2 on the front, 2 on the rear. So it's really increased the storage capacity in this vehicle. Now these seats, kind of unique seats. This is a 40 backrest and bottom. So it's a separate seat. It folds forward and back like that. And then also this is a 60 bottom. So there's a larger bottom over here. And then this is a back armrest that folds down. So this armrest folds down for your cup holders. The console is still gonna work great, or the cover's gonna work great for that. So you can flip that up and just have everything covered, looking nice. And again, just transforms the interior in here. Now the rear seats are the same seat styles as the front seats. So it's a 40-20-40 backrest with a 60-40 bottom. The one difference is that middle backrest does not fold. Well, it actually can lift out, but you have to pull it a little bit harder, and then you access some, I believe a power storage, something back there, some kind of power bank. So that cover still works there on that backrest. There's your 40s, individual 40s. The bottom is a 60-40 bottom right there. And then the headrest, we do have headrest covers for these as well, and I'll show you a close-up on those. Now here's the headrest cover. This is made from the matching trim choice of fabric, which was midnight croc. And really cool option is to do a custom logo. So you send us your logo, either, hey, maybe it's your ranch brand. So your brand could go right here, okay? Your brand there would be printed on, and then it can stick onto your headrest. Or even if you have an image that's a photo and it's higher detail, well, we can get that done too. So there's a hunting dog, kind of a cool photo, a customer wanted that. And a lot of different options that you can choose from, but that way you can have your custom logo on your seat covers. It's a really cool option there on this CFMOTO seat cover set. Thanks for watching this video. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. If you have a truck or UTV and you're thinking about getting seat covers, you need to jump over to coversandcamo.com. Look forward to helping you soon. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers.